Hi, my name is Amanda Rocha. I am an estate planning and probate attorney in California, and today I am going to talk about whether or not your estate planning fees or income generated through your estate plan are tax deductible. Before I get into this, I want to give you my contact information in case you want to reach out to me and speak to me about this or any other estate planning or probate matter. You can find me on my website at www.amandarocalaw.com. You may comment down below if this platform allows you to do that, or you can find me on social media at Amanda Rocha Law. I'm pretty much on every platform at this point. So the reason I want to talk to you about whether or not your estate plan is tax deductible is twofold. First, I do get this question occasionally. And second, we're coming up on tax season, and I'm sure this is a topic that is in the forefront of many people's minds. So why don't we tackle it? First of all, I am not a tax attorney, and I cannot give anybody explicit tax advice. However, I do have to deal with taxes a lot in my areas of practice, but I recommend for your specific estate plan and tax deductible questions that you contact both an estate planning attorney and your CPA who prepares your taxes if you already have an estate plan in place. So let's just get down to the facts. Can you deduct legal fees for estate planning? No, you can't deduct legal fees. So if you pay a lawyer to do something, that part is not tax deductible generally. However, if you have specific plans for your business or you've done some work for an LLC and it's not just a personal plan, you may be able to get some tax deductions there. So that is where you should talk with your CPA. But there are ways that you can pay taxes on your estate plan and claim deductions. So if your trust, your revocable living trust that you are in charge of, owns rental property, or if you have royalties coming to you through something that you own through the trust, or you have businesses owned by your trust, you may be able to file something on your taxes that allows you to claim deductions that way through your estate plan. So it's important that you not only have an estate plan to protect these assets, but you know that they can work for you in different ways during your lifetime. So if you're interested in figuring out whether or not your particular estate plan has any of these assets in them, or whether you need an estate plan to protect these assets, or whether you should amend your estate plan to add some assets in, you should contact me. I can help you if you're in California. I would love to discuss the many different options that you have. In addition, if you already have an estate plan and you're wondering if you should be claiming something on your taxes, please bring it up to your CPA or your tax person when you're doing taxes. I would recommend that if you have any kind of complication or complicated matters, that you go to an actual CPA and not just a tax preparer, because maybe they are trained a little bit more in what goes along with an estate plan, a living trust especially. If you want to contact me about this or any other estate planning or probate issue, please feel free to reach out to me. Again, you can find me on my website, www.amandarocalaw.com. You can comment down below if this platform allows you to do that, or follow me on social media at Amanda Rocha Law. Thank you.